Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code directly in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once the browser launches, you'll land on the home page where you'll see the familiar search bar positioned at the center of your screen. This is where you normally type in your search queries, but today we're going to use a different feature that's built right into this search bar. Now take a look beside the search bar and you'll notice a small camera icon. This is Chrome's visual search feature and it's perfect for scanning QR codes without needing any third-party apps or extensions. Go ahead and click on this camera icon to open up the image search options. After clicking the camera icon, a menu will appear with different options for uploading images. Look for and click on the option that says Upload a File. This allows you to select a QR code image that's already saved on your computer, which is incredibly convenient if someone has sent you a QR code via email, messaging apps, or if you've taken a screenshot of one. Your file browser will now open up, showing all the folders and files on your computer. Navigate to the location where your QR code image is saved and double-click on the QR code file you want to scan. Chrome will then upload and automatically analyze the image to extract the information embedded in that QR code. Give it just a moment to process the image. Once Chrome finishes analyzing the QR code, you'll see the results appear on your screen. If the QR code contains a website link, you'll see an option labeled Website displayed prominently. Click on this website option and Chrome will immediately direct you to that web page. This feature works seamlessly whether the QR code links to a website, contains text information, or leads to other types of content. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code using Google Chrome without needing to install any additional software or use your phone's camera. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.